Right, so we want a wall light there, a double socket there, a wall light there, switched from there, no double socket. And get rid of that because I thought it was live, but it's dead. So what we want to do is we're going to try and go inside the cavity of the wall to get up to the bungalow, which you can't see in the conservatory, but it's out there. But if not, we're going to have to do a chase inside the brick. The plan is to go at a bit of an angle for the tape to get up in there. And it was a boiling hot day, so I didn't want to have to get right down in the eaves of them in the loft. So I took a few tiles up to get the rod from there. And it was easy to access the void inside the wall just by pushing these tiles up. And I was able to get the tiles up at each end of the conservatory. Simple. And then once I've got my cables out, I just want to, well, get them inside the loft really, put that rod as far as I can inside that loft so I can grab hold of it without having to clamber around in the loft. This was the whole point of me doing this. Now all I need to know is that rod. I can see it already. What a beaut. It's come up from there, so I can just pull that cable straight in without having to creep round and all of that. Bonus. And then put all the tiles back nice and neat, like it has never been touched. If you look at them, they just slide into place. Perfect. No one will ever know they've even been moved. So I was able to get the main income, live and neutral, switch live and neutral out to this, up, across, down to this, and then also inside the cavity, I've got a 2.5 for the socket. And it beats chasing out that wall.